hunk of aluminum. Ooh, never seen that before. Wonder how the platters get removed. Usually there's screws, but this one doesn't have any screws. I think it's like some kind of clip system. That's gonna be fun to remove. The arm just popped out. This one you didn't have to unscrew anything this time. And oh, look at that. This one has a weird magnet system. I've never seen this before. Magnets on here, so you only have one side of the magnet. I don't know how this thing gets removed. I'm gonna try to remove it. Yeah, it's like kind of glued on. It's not even a magnet, it's just a hunk of metal. What a weird system. I've never seen that before in a hard drive. So it's a hunk of metal on the aluminum cover, and then the magnet right under with the arm. Never seen that before. So let's see now with this clip, how does this work? There's no screw in the back or anything. Really can't get this out. Let me bend these things here. I doubt that's what it is, but kind of these like little clips, but oh wait, I think it might be loosening, or that could be just from me bending everything. That didn't loosen anything. I have never seen anything like this. Oh, that sucks. Wow, this is hardcore. I really don't know how to get this out. Look at that, no screws, no nothing. The motor doesn't seem to be screwed down or anything. Wow. So I can hammer this thing out. Got that in there. Let's see. There you go. Something's happening now. There you go. Wow, that was impressive. So you kind of had to like wedge it in and hammer this little guy out. Alright, so there we go. And let's see, is the motor movable in any way? If it's not, I'm not gonna bother. There's nothing there.